Dear friends, in today's class, we are going to discuss few examples of a friend function and nested class. Last time we have discussed how friend is used within a class to make the private members makes the friendship with the functions and access outside. As at a glance, I can tell private member cannot access outside, but only one exception through which private member can get access outside by making the friend. And when the function makes the friend and the class becomes the friend class. Here in today's class, we want to access more than one class private member to be accessed outside. Hence, we have taken a class A and its member by default is private is value. Then its constructor is A. Friend return type is int sum. It carries two class object. One is class A, one is class B. In Vue editor, if the class keyword is written, you can write class A, class B. Otherwise, you have to specify class A and class B. Two class to be argument as placed within the function, that is your sum. Another class B is taken, is member is value, that is also private. A constructor is taken, and again friend return type is int, function name is same, sum, and AB is the name of the two class. Now you see the sum function is access outside, it is a definition part, but program execution starts from the main function. Here A class object is created, B class object is created. If I pass sum AB, sum is a user defined function, AB is the object of A class and B class, then it reaches at here, it is A is received in V1, B is received in V2. We are assessing V1 dot value means class A value member and V2 dot value means class B value member, because in class B there is value member and in class A there is also value member. Means both the value in the class A and class B are private and we get access in outside the class by making friend. Return v1 dot value, v2 dot value, as it is return type is int, it is return to where? It is return to here and the value is a display. In this way, more than one class private member we access outside by using the friend. And when the function is declared with the friend, that is known as your friend function, and the class becomes the friend class. Next is a nested class. As you know, if within if another if is placed is nested if one switch is present within another switch is nested switch, if one loop is present within another loop is the nested loop, if one structure is declared within another structure is known as your nested structure. In the similar way, when one class is declared within another class, that is known as your nested class, or we can tell as the class ladders. How the syntax is: class name, curly bracket open its block, again before closing the first class the second class starts, and finally in leaf order class starts, class ends, the main class, external class, outer class starts and ends. And here the second class is the concept of your nested class. We have to verify with example: class A, then class B member is num, then its method is get data and put data. Now class B ends, then the class A ends. Here you have to remember, without the help of class A, we cannot enter to the class B. So how the object will be created? A class followed by scope resolution B class, means within the A class, B class is there, then it's a object, means we create the object of obj as the B class. Object dot get data, where it reaches? It reaches here. The value is stored, what is passed in num, and what is put data, object dot put data, what will do? It will display that data which is stored in the num, and that is known as your nested class, because if outer class help will not take, we cannot create the object of the inner class, and this is the concept of your nested class. I think today's session you understand the example of a friend and the use of nested class. I think this session is essential to you. You understand? If you like the video, kindly like it. If you did not subscribe previously, kindly subscribe it. Having any doubt, please make the comment. See you in the next class with some new topic so far as the OOBS is concerned. Thank you.